Here's how to change your phone number on PayPal. So if you recently changed your phone number, or for whatever reason you want to switch from old to new phone number, here's what you need to do. You need to open up your PayPal on your app or your browser. Then click on the top left to open up your profile. Once your profile loads, click on the personal information. From here, click on phone numbers. Now you can add a phone number right here. Enter your phone number, go to the category, then you will get a code that you need to verify that phone number, and then new number will be added. Delete and do a lot of different things with these phone numbers. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.